Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid serum and retinol together. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant, drawing moisture into your skin and holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water. Retinol, a vitamin, a derivative, is renowned for boosting cell turnover, which helps to diminish fine lines and improve overall skin texture. Combining these two ingredients is highly beneficial, as hyaluronic acid effectively counteracts the potential dryness and irritation that retinol can sometimes cause, ensuring a smoother, more comfortable experience for your skin. The order of application is crucial for maximizing the benefits of both products. First, apply your hyaluronic acid serum to slightly damp skin. This allows the hyaluronic acid to draw in and lock in moisture more effectively. Give it a few minutes, perhaps 2 to 3, to fully absorb into your skin. Once your skin feels dry to the touch, proceed with applying your retinol product. This method ensures that your skin is well hydrated before the retinol, reducing potential irritation. When introducing retinol, start slowly, perhaps 2 or 3 nights a week, and gradually increase as your skin builds tolerance. Consistency is key, but so is patience. Always, and I mean always, follow up with a broad-spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 30 every single morning, as retinol can increase sun sensitivity. For extra comfort, you might try the sandwich method, applying a light layer of moisturizer after your retinol, sealing and hydration. To truly maximize the benefits, pay close attention to your skin's signals. If you experience excessive dryness or irritation, reduce the frequency of your retinol application. Initially, avoid combining retinol with other potent active ingredients like alpha or beta hydroxy acids on the same night. With consistent and mindful use of both hyaluronic acid and retinol, you will notice significant improvements in your skin's hydration, texture, and overall youthful appearance over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.